Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan Ramsagi Makhada Smart Classroom All Tamenglong Junior High School Sabagan Tamenglongda Deputy Commissioner Dr. L. Angsim Dangsowa IAS Amadi Ramsagi District Project Officer Oriba ZDO N. Abonpo Christopher MES na Tamenglong District ki Government School da ahanba oina launch tawbiki. Smart Classroom asi Satra Satri Singda Pukning Thaugat Piba Technology Gadget ki Matengna Government School dasu Visual Class Lauwa Ngamba Amadi Quality Education asi Panghanaba Pakhatpa Project Amani. Masigumba Awamba Thak ki Technology asina Maru Oina Chingi District ki Government School Singda Oza Marang Kaina Leitaba Maphamda Smart Classroom asina Achoba Mateng Oiba Yai Haina Deputy Commissioner Tamenglongna Phongdokhi. Smart Classroom asida computer screen da remote control amadi stylus sijinaduna visual da tamba amadi layekpa yagani haina JDO na phongdokhi. Smart Classroom gi matangda District Project Officer N. Abonpo Christopher MES ZDO na asumna haiki.
Tamenglong da ahanba oina government schools ki oina lunch toki under the district project office ZDO Tamenglong or at all Tamenglong junior high school da toki. This smart classroom harisa it's a powerful tool for teaching. Asi facility sida oza miyam aduga student miyam si remote control haiba porama aduga stylus haiba si p the smart board screen se connect tawba yai connect tawraga maps kumba audio visual educational video screen da dum thokini asina kari da pharibano haibada angang sing da motivate tawhale government school da phaningai it's giving quality education even to the weaker natraga drop out haiba miyam sidasu same facility quality education se piribani pictorial lessons kumba adugumba angang singnasu yam interest lege all Tamenglong junior high school da hangthok pasida RST haibisi residential special training center siso attached to school sida aduga where the dropout students kun manga gumba leje moi sinaso enjoying the facilities as well asi gumba facilities se school daso aduga dropout gumba leiriba angang singdasu interest lejaba.
District Administration Tamenglong gi makhada leiba Tamenglong Schools Debating Championship Committee na sinduna anisuba Battle of Brain 2.0 Tamenglong School Debating Championship 2024 September 30 da Centennial Hall Town Baptist Church da chathakre. Debate competition numit aduda Deputy Commissioner ADC Tamenglong SDO Tamenglong Tausiam SDO Tamenglong SP 5th MR Deputy Commandant Colonel Letland Sekho CSO leader, church leader, school singi principal amadi satra satri kayana saruk yabiki. Debate adu the future prospect of Tamenglong depend mainly on its leader, not the people. Haiba topic ta debate toki. Kumsigi debating championship adu da Tamay Tausem amadi Tamenglong subdivision gi school taranipan saruk yaki. Maduda debater tarana motion da debate toki aduga nipana against the motion da debate toki. Debate competition aduda Dr. Kintu Jinang Marenmai Principal Tamenglong College, Dr. Maliang Jiliu Panmai HOD History Department Tamenglong College amadi Gaseng Sui Gangmai Bible Translator RBCC Makhoi Ahumna Panel of Judge Oibiki. Final round da Khwaidagi talent leiraba debater ani khanduna debate toki Maduda Trinity Public School Tamenglonggi Mahairoi Namding Kamei na champion oikhi. Aduga Langmai Higher Secondary School Tamaigi Mahairoi Ngamjen Liubao Pamei na first runners up aduga Eclavia Model Residential School Tamenglonggi Mahairoi Ramkhonlung Kamei na second runners up oikhi. Debate competition da champion lowkhiba Mahairoi da cash prize 50,000 medal amadi certificate piki second place takiba Mahairoi da 30,000 aduga third place tana 20,000 piki. Dr. L. Angsim Dangsowa IAS Deputy Commissioner na debata saruk yakiba debater singda nakhoi asi lakado riba matamgi leader ni haina pukning thaugat piki disi aduna mathang chahigi debate competition da school sing komsi degi henna saruk yabiu haina haijaki.